Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is an exciting video. I have a few products I really want to share that came in the mail and maybe a special something. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do two videos a week, Tuesdays and Fridays, and today's video is extra special, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and please keep on watching. Okay. So my video is all about these amazing products. If you guys didn't know, fun fact, Avon was the first PR company to send me PR, which was like super amazing. I was forever, ever grateful. So they sent me this amazing goodie bag and I love all of it. So they have a new skincare line. So it's called Skin So Soft for Acne Prone Skin. And it says, let's clear some things up. How cute. So anyways, what do we have first? And of course the packaging literally matches my shirt, which is so fun. I got this shirt from Marshall's if you guys wanted to know. So the first product we have here, I'm gonna probably start with what is on here. Is that the one? No, we're gonna start, okay, so we're gonna start off with this one. This is the foaming cleanser, and this retails for $24.90 or $24, and it's 150 milliliters. It is foaming cleanser for acne prone skin. That is great, love that. So that's item number one. Number two is the soothing gel. This is 180 milliliters and it retails for $28. So that's amazing. And I guarantee you this probably, well, I'm not gonna open it, but I got it in the mail, so probably smells amazing. The next thing is the exfoliating body wash. So you get this guy right here, and this is 300 milliliters and it retails for $28. It actually does come with a little pump, so that's great. You put it in here and then you pump it. So you do your body, your back, your arms, your legs, anywhere. Like the next product, Gentle Body Wash. The Gentle Body Wash. And that is 300 milliliters as well, and it's $28. And just a fun fact, these are made, these are plant-based, and they are made with non-drying, non-irritating with rosemary oil. I didn't know that. And the soothing gel is made with glycerin, allantoin, and pathanol. Yeah, so that's exciting. And then this one too comes with a little pump. Super, super cute. And then last but not least, we got Skin So Soft body pads. So this one helps to even tone. It is with hyaluronic acid and pathanol, 70 pads, and it's 150 milliliters, and this retails for $42. And so that's what you're getting, but it also comes with a little, because the pads, so it comes with a little tray to put the pads in, and then a little like tweezers, but like plastic tweezers. That's super, super cute. Thought that was really smart to have that. I think that's it. Oh, they also have here a soothing spot gel is coming soon. So that's exciting. But yeah, it was developed for all skin types with gently exfoliating salicylic acid, suitable for daily use and free of synthetic fragrances. But you guys, since it's acne prone skin and I love my YouTube fam so, so much that I want to give this away. So, surprise! I really want to give this away to one lucky winner who either is dealing with acne prone skin and who can easily benefit from this. So this is only going to be open to the US and Canada and US only. So please like this video. So these are requirements, okay? So you're gonna like this video, comment below on who should win and why, and don't forget to leave your Instagram because I'm going to be putting the winner on my Instagram. So Lifestyle of Leslie, that will be the winner. If it's anyone else, it is not the winner because there's so many spam and scam artists, and I will never ever ask for your credit card information. All I will ever ask you is to let you know that you're the winner, and to send me your mailing address, and that will only be it. So again, I will not ask you for any money. I am sending you these products to you. So yeah, I'm paying for everything and I'm giving you these amazing products. So with that being said, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I will be checking. And again, comment down below, and then you can also share it on social media. This is my way to give back to you guys because I love you guys so, so much. And again, when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh my God, I would love to try this, but I feel like it wouldn't be fair, and I want it to be for somebody who's genuinely gonna use this, because I know I probably will use a little bit of it, but again, I don't really have problems. I get on flow, I get one every on flow. I get one that's either on my face or one on my back or anything like that, but I'm not one that has a lot. So again, I guess I've been blessed that way. So I wanna bless you guys in this way for getting this. So Avon doesn't know that I'm doing this. So again, love Avon. Make sure you guys go follow them as well, just to show them some love because they show me so much love. And that's pretty much it. That's the end of this video. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope when you guys win, oh yeah, and the deadline will be, so when this video is up right now, it will be a week. So I don't know what a week is. Ooh. So when I upload my next video on Tuesday, so this video will be going up, okay, so it's March 21st. You have until March 28th to enter, and then I will put a little blurb that it's closed, and again, I will announce the winner. That'll be amazing. So that's pretty much it. I love you guys so, so much. And it was funny because I was thinking, what can I film today? And I was like, oh my God, this is a perfect opportunity, and especially a reason to wear my shirt that I got like in this weekend. I found it and I was like in love with it. Love this sweater so, so much. It's so pretty. It's coming to the gram, to the feed very, very soon, or probably when you see this video. But anyways, so with that being said, I'm rambling now, and stay tuned for the next video. And again, I love you guys so, so much. Bye.